What's up guys, gdwarrior here. I got a little bored and I decided to, you know how when you have LED lights everywhere, your rate, your signal, your flashing rate is really high. You know, you can change that with a flasher relay, which looks like this from Custom LED. That brings it back to normal. It's gonna get rid of the auto cancellation fee, but I've smashed my cancel button all the time on the handlebar, so it doesn't really matter to me. Now I always make sure my lights are off. And it's actually pretty simple. All you gotta do is find this piece. It's located right there in the corner underneath your battery. It's a little messy here right now, you know what's going on with my bike. So I've been just improving small little stuff. So find this relay, plug it off, then you're gonna be left with this little piece. There's gonna be two cables, one brown and white. The red one goes into the front of the brown, and the black one goes into that front piece here where the brown and white cable is located. All right, once you get this, we will check it out now. It's the left flashing. See, now I got a normal flashing rate. Let's try out the other one. Yep, looks nice. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This baby will be soon put back together. You know, my cylinder head is finally on the way to the shop. I had a few issues over there. They sent me the wrong one, and then I had to locate a new one. A bunch of bullshit. And then I'll be soon back on the road, hopefully. Alright guys, see you.